Lamsogo haina hai takok te bukuk sungno te kaisa video o jung tini nailai kaisa ketal job notification job recruitment na harjakmani notification lamok paika awangka society for entrepreneurship development aboni short form ka sophet ni faising tei recruitment notification lamok ka uh, aro notification date lamok mani date 17 tarik Januari 2025 ni dino notification lamok ka o jaga details saimana bagai video na punya jeng paitha jora nai tongdi aro fason nugui manka recruitment notification nong 04 2025 2425 ngangke Abongka kaisa purely contractual basis 6 or 11 months ni bagai ছয় একেবারে 11 months ni bagai recruitment khaijak nai contractual basis khaiwi gero post wise full details rojak tongo qualification busuk nangnai age limit busuk salary busuk mannai about full details aro rojak tongo gangke first tongo name of post driver na harjaknai duita vacancies tongo UR ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui ekta abo haike na harjaknai tei aro qualification tongo must post valid heavy driving license aro wngkha heavy driving license tongo nangnai minimum qualification 8 pass tei experience tongo nangnai 5 years experience driving ni nataiwi 5 years experience tongo nangnai hinui sajaklaijaka heavy driving license mane 6 chakka gari ni eko bus rokni driving license tongo nangnai hinui sajaklaijaka hingke aboni bagui salary mannai per month 17,000 khaiwi age limit rojaka 40 bosor joratui aboni department wngkha Tripura Tourism Development Corporation Limited ni faisingtui langjaknai driver tei kaisa haini hai second no tongo abo haini driver LMB abo wngkha na LLB driving license tongo nangnai aboni bagui 6 pass wngkha hingkhe apply khai manai abo bo haino experience tongo nangnai 5 years driving experience aboni bagui salary mannai 15,500 taka khaiwi per month 40 bosor joratui age limit rojakha abo bo haino tourism development corporation ni faisingtui langjaknai tei tongo aro haini hai driver abo bo haino LMB duita vacancies tongo UR ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui ekta abo khe class 8 pass wngkha hingke cholo driving license tongo nangnai minimum 4 year experience tongo nangnai aboni bagui 12,500 12,500 khaiwi per month salary mannai 40 bosor age limit abo bo haino hingke aro kaisa tongphio abo haino driver rok langjaknai 20 vacancies 20 ta vacancies tongnai UR ni bagui 10 ta ST ni bagui 6 ta SC ni bagui 4 ta abo haike 20 vacancies na harjaknai driver abo wngkha commercial driving license tongo nangnai minimum at least 5 years driving ni experience tongo nangnai abo wngkha ketal gari chalokani bagui harjaknai aboni bagui salary mannai 12,500 abo bo haino 12,500 khaiwi 40 bosor age limit hingke yang department rojak tongo general administration secretariat administration department Secretariat Tripurani Fajungtui Naharjagnai. Ngaro tei betongsu office assistant abongke office assistant naharjagnai duita vacancies UR ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui ekta qualification nangnai graduate with at least diploma in computer application. Graduate khajak nangnai tei diploma computer application tongo nangnai DCA. Aboni bagui experience nangnai 3 years working experience tongo nangnai hinui sajaka. Salary mannai 16,500 age limit 40 বছর জোড়া abokhe Tripura Tourism Development Corporation Limited ni phajungtui. 6 number tongo tourism executive Sagarika Parjatan Niwas Amarpur ni phajungtui tilangjaknai UR ni bagui ekta joto roi mannai ro ST SC jotono. Essential qualification nangnai ra knowledge about history of Tripura and Tripura tourism history of Tripura ni knowledge tongo nangnai tei nangnai speaking English Hindi and Bengali abohai knowledge tongo nangnai qualification nangnai graduate tei logebo IT background khaijak nangnai salary mannai 15,000 khaiui abo bahaina Tripura tourism development ni phajungtui tilangjaknai. Giboni poreo tongphio assistant engineer naharjaknai ekta vacancies UR ni bagui 40,000 salary mannai abo bahaina tourism development ni phajungtui tilangjaknai. Abongkha ex serviceman rokno priority rojaknai ex serviceman rok 62 বছর জোড়া age limit rojak tongo. Tei tongo oro library support administrator abo haina UR ni bagui ekta abo master degree library science rokno teiui khaijak nangnai onkhe at least 1 year experience tongo nangnai salary mannai 35,000 age limit rojakha 65 years abongkha MBB University bo naharjaknai. Tei tongo oro 9 number account assistant abo bahaina UR ni bagui ekta aborok bahaina retire rokno priority rojaknai. Bachelor degree in commerce rokno bachelor degree khaijak nangnai tei logebo working knowledge tongo nangnai computer application diploma haikhe certificate course khaijak nangnai tei aboni bagui salary mannai 25,000 65 years joratui naharjaknai abobo MBB college ni university ni bagui. Personal assistant abo bahaina ekta vacancy graduate in any discipline recognized university having knowledge computer typing in English minimum 50 word per minute abo haikhe naharjaknai tei 30 words per minute Bengali typing aboni bagui 25,000 khaiui rojaknai up to 65 years jora naharjaknai. Tei tongo IT support assistant ekta vacancy qualification nangnai BTech khaijak aboni bagui 25,000 mannai 45 years jora yajakjaknai. Tei tongo oro administrative assistant abo bahaina ekta vacancies UR graduate in any discipline having knowledge operating computer and certificate abo haina minimum typing speed tongo nangnai English bo 40 words per minute tei 20 words per minute Bengali aboni bagui 20,000 per month salary rojaknai 45 years jora naharjaknai MBB University o tlanjaknai office assistant abo bahine UR joto roimanai abo bahine graduate in any discipline capability computer typing in English with minimum 40 words per minute 20 words per minute Bengali abo bos 70,000 17,000 mannai 45 বছর জরা yajakjaknai tei tongoro library support assistant one vacancy bachelor of library and information science bachelor of library science abo hai khaijak nangnai tei aro typing tongo nangnai data entry operation abo hai khayo nangnai 17,000 per month salary mannai administrative support staff abo bahina ekta vacancy aboni bagai bahina graduate যেকোনো গ্রাজুয়েট খাইজাগা নাংনাই 1 year experience tongo nangnai ke 16,000 khai per month salary mannai tei aro tongo IT support staff aro tongo UR ni bagai ekta essential qualification nangnai BE BTech in computer science abo hai khaijak nangnai experience tongo nangnai 2 years 47,600 khaiwi per month salary mannai 40 years jora naharjaknai abo wngkha industries and commerce ni phaisingtwi tlangjaknai senior technical officer abo naharjaknai MIS khaiwi one vacancy UR ni bagai qualification nangnai MSc computer science na twiwi haikhe MCA MSc geography na twiwi haikhe natural resource management tei environmental abo hairok khaijak nangnai minimum 7 years experience tongkha khe chanai tei aboni bagai 75,000 khaiwi rojaknai 45 years jora yachakjaknai aboni department wngkha department of forest office of the CEO ni phaisingtwi tongphio aro senior technical officer one vacancy aboni bagui 75,000 mannai tei aro tongphio senior technical officer SSCB abo one vacancy 75,000 kai mannai borokno ang details salia ani rok details saimana bagui notification download khai nai mannai ani description o link rojak hingke aro tongphio senior technical officer non tiber abo haino one vacancy 75,000 khai per month salary mannai tei aro tongo senior technical officer abo haino 75,000 per month tei aro tongphio senior finance and procurement officer abo haino 75,000 khai mannai technical officer environmental and social safeguard aboni bagai haino 70,000 khai rojaknai technical officer rural development abo haino 75,000 khai mannai one vacancy technical officer forestry abo haino one vacancy 70,000 per month technical officer CEO eco tourism and biodiversity about duita vacancies tongnai UR ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui ekta abo haino 70,000 khai salary rojaknai technical officer value chain development abo bahaino 70,000 khai per month salary rojaknai abo wngkha UR ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui ekta duita vacancies tongo. Finance officer rano harjaknai tinta vacancies UR ni bagui duita ST ni bagui ekta. Qualification nangnai CA ekaba MCOM MBA Finance CA Inter PG Diploma Finance and Accounts of high 3 years experience tongo nangnai. Angke 45,000 khai salary rojaknai 45 years jora naharjaknai. Tongphio technical assistant 5 vacancies 5ta vacancies tongo UR ni bagui 3ta ST ni bagui ekta SC ni bagui ekta. Qualification nangnai graduate in technical field of science engineering at least 3 years experience tongo nangnai. 35,000 khai per month salary rojaknai 45 years jora yachakjaknai. Chief account officer abo bahaino ekta vacancies member of the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India abo haikhe khaijak wngna nangnai. Experience tongo nangnai 3 years 80,000 khai per month salary rojaknai 50 years jora yachakjaknai. Tongo accountant ni bagui ekta vacancy. Qualification minimum commerce graduate from recognized university diploma in computer application accounting software tally abo tongo nangnai minimum 4 year experience tongoni nangnai. Aboni bagui 39,518 abo haikhe salary rojaknai 40 years jora yachakjaknai. City mission manager ni bagui naharjaknai ekta vacancies 2 years full time post graduate diploma khaijak nangnai haikhe master in computer science khaijak nangnai. Salary mannai 27,500 40 years jora apply khai manai. Tei aro tongphio haino hai block resource person. Block resource person ni bagui aro vacancies kwbang kok tongo 78 ta vacancies UR ni bagui 41 women's rok ni bagui 14 ex serviceman ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui 24 women's 8 ta SC ni bagui 13 women's 5 ta abo haikhe naharjaknai total 78 ta vacancy tongo block resource person ni bagui. Aboni bagui qualification nangnai candidate must possess a bachelor degree reputable college abo hai 60% mark tongo nangnai. Bachelor degree khaimani jagao graduate o tei experience tongo nangnai 1 bochor theke 3 bochor hai experience tongoni nangnai. Kwbangmano skill rok naharjaknai language nangnai English Bengali tei kokrok abo hairok sijak nangnai naisaklaijaka. Ani bagui o jagao salary rojaknai 38,355 abo haikhe naharjaknai tei traveling expense rojaknai 2,000 khaibai. Hingkhe 40 years jora yachakjaknai. Aboni department wngkha industries and commerce ni department ni faising tilangjaknai. Hingkhe aro joto apply khaimannai. Hingkhe aro tongphio office assistant UR ni bagui essential qualification nangnai bachelor degree in any field haikhe DCA khaijak nangnai logao experience nangnai 2 years experience tongo nangnai MS Office tei internet ni experience tongo nangnai aboni bagui 15,000 per month salary mannai 40 years jora yachakjaknai abo ni department kha Office of the Deputy Drugs Controller tei tongo data entry operator duita vacancies SC ekta ST ekta bachelor degree in any field abo haino bachelor degree khaijak nangnai logeo DCA software hardware networking abo haini course khaijak nangnai boni bagui 16,142 taka rajaknai per month salary 40 years jora yachakjak tei tongo lab attendant ni bagui duita vacancies SC ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui ekta salary rajaknai qualification nangnai 12 pass chemistry tongo nangnai ekeba biology jekono kaisa subject tongo nangnai 12 o experience nangnai jekono field level khaijak 12,106 taka khaibai salary rajaknai 40 bochor jora nahar jaknai yachakjaknai aro tongo insurance medical officer ni bagui ST ni bagui ekta vacancies tongo MBBS khaijak nangnai allopathy o aboni bagui salary rajaknai 55,000 70 bochor jora yachakjaknai tei tongo aro pharmacist ekta vacancies 12 pass khaijak nangnai science no twiwi 9,500 taka khaibai salary rajaknai tei aro tongo auxiliary nurse midwife abo naharjaknai ANM course khaijak nangnai ekta ST ni bagui +2 stage SS +2 stage khaijak nangnai GNM khaijak 9,500 khaibai salary rajaknai tei kaisa tongo office assistant haini hai UR ni bagui ekta 12 pass minimum 12 pass knowledge tongo nangnai computer operation with certificate of minimum 1 years course khaijak nangnai tei aboni bagui Kumarghat ni location ni wngani nangnai 9,500 khaibai salary rajaknai aro tei tongho peon langjaknai ekta vacancies aboni bagui qualification nangnai class 8 pass aboni bagui reading tongo nangnai reading tei writing rwngna nangnai Bengali tei English ni language no hingke 7,000 khaibai per month salary rajaknai 40 years jora yachakjaknai tei tongo aro production assistant ni bagui group C langjaknai one vacancy UR ni bagui bachelor degree jekono bachelor degree khaijak graduate aboni bagui 30,000 per month salary mannai 40 years jora yachakjaknai last tongo haini hai project assistant ekta vacancies aboni bagui BSc khaijak nangnai medical laboratory no twiwi haikebo technology at least 50 mark khaibai khaijak nangnai 50 mark nangnai 30,000 khaibai per month salary rajaknai 38 jora yachakjaknai genirok je aro notification ni bisingo idea haikebo buji mankha kisana genirok full details kaham khe sina bagui ani description o link rojak download khaiwi nai notification download khaiwi kaham khe naidi hingke aboni bagui processing fee ma rwnai apply khainani bagui processing fee khainani bagui pay ma khainai fee 236 টাকা খাইबै processing fee ro nangnai NEFT hai ke RTGS te UPI through tui apply send khaimanai rang application fee aboni bagai ar jaga details bank details rojak tongo account title tongo Society for Entrepreneurship Development the name of the bank tongo Punjab National Bank GB Hospital branch Agartala ni bagai GB Hospital branch account nong rojak tongo ra IFSC code rojak tongo bono details fill khainai ni rok processing fee send ma khainai और जगह apply खाने ने बागै रojak apply खाने ने बागै निरो o website o thangainai online apply ma khlainai sophet.tripura.gov.in o website o thangai apply ma khlainai hingke কয় তারিখ যারা apply খাই মানে কয় তারিখ নিসিমি 20 তারিখ 1 মাস 2025 জানুয়ারি 20 তারিখ থেকে জানুয়ারি 31 তারিখ যারা apply খাই মানে কেন্দ্রক দাইতি apply খাই না রেডি হingke nero job no manai Getiri video asrungnai video no chajak like khaidi share khaidi tei tal nai tongke subscribe khainadi jotono hambai।